Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is May 24th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Right now, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by 13.5 points. Right now, they're sitting at 28.33 per contract, so good little pop here for the futures. You can see over the last couple of hours, though, they have slumped a little bit. But nonetheless, if you take a look at where we were yesterday, right before the close, the market soared higher and then they rallied up. What was the catalyst? It was just comments coming from President Trump saying he thinks there could be a swift agreement with China shortly. Just more of the same. So it's back and forth. One day there's a ban on Huawei. Next day the ban is lifted. It's just a lot of game playing going on here. And the market ultimately saying, hey, President Trump will make a deal at some stage of the game. We'll see how it goes. I don't know if the Chinese really like this kind of game playing. But either way, futures are higher, and really that's all that matters. We'll see what we get. Today will be the final trading day before the Memorial Day holiday. The markets in the U.S. will be closed on Monday, May 27th. All right, let's get into stocks and the news. That's where we're going to try to focus and make some money. ADSK is Autodesk. Stock right now trading at 156.39. Closed at 169.56. Ouch, this is a pretty good haircut here. When I look at this name, I think I'll have some gap levels ready to go in the intraday stock chat room. Right off the bat, I do think that Autodesk has a fair amount of support around this 154, 155. But I got to look a little bit lower now that we've been tagging that level for a little bit in the pre-market or in the after hours yesterday. Now we'll look a little bit lower, but I have a pretty good level ready to go for Autodesk. So again, that'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 a.m. Next up, we have Foot Locker. Let's get that ticker symbol in there. FL right now trading at 47.90. Closed at 52.84. So this is a good little haircut as well. We did break below the $50 level. That was a very psychological number. Now, when I look at the stock here, I have to think we can go a bit lower. So again, I'll work on some levels there. I'll try to have those up by 9 a.m. as well. But Foot Locker under pressure. This one can go lower. Did take out that psychological $50 level. Next up, we have ROST Stores, ROST. Stock right now is trading at $92.94. Closed yesterday at $94.51. So this is getting a little bit of a downtick. Again, I'll have a level for ROST Stores ready to go. This one can be a mover sometimes, so just be aware of that. Let's take a look at INTU, which is INTU. Stock right now trading at 245.03. Closed at 241.31, so you got a nice little uptick there. Still a lot of resistance around the 250 level. You could see here in the after hours, that's kind of where it went. Was unable to really get much past that, so we'll see how it plays out. Next up, we have HPQ. Let's take a look at that. That's trading at $19.60. Closed at $19.19. I think there's big resistance around $20.32. So if it gets up there, that could be a little bit of a fade area, or at least if you're running it up to that area, that would be a level to take some profits. Next up, we want to take a look at HPE, Hewlett Packard Enterprises, I believe. This stock right now trading at $14, closed at $14.32. Only level that gets me interested in this would be a Pierce of 13. So I'll go out on a limb and say $12.95. If it gets there, I actually like that level for HPE. Next up, we want to take a look at Splunk, SPLK. This one this morning trading at 126, closed at 128.73. So not a big drop, couple points. Was down a little lower in the after hours yesterday. We're not going to make too much out of it. I'll see what I could come up with on this one. Next up, we want to take a look at Lionsgate Film, LGF.A. Stock right now is trading at $15.50, closed at $16. Little bit of a haircut, not much to do there. Sit tight with that one. Let's take a look at one more here. Decker Outdoors. Ticker symbol is DECK. Stock is trading at 157, closed at 147.41. Nice little pop there. You are going to have some resistance right at 160. So again, don't look for a whole lot more upside. If you own it, trail the stop loss immediately. Next up, let's go over to the gold market. We have gold futures today down $2.20. Gold did catch a bid yesterday as a little fear started to creep into the marketplace. Right now, gold futures trading at $1,283.40 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD this morning, that is trading at 121.18, basically right where it closed. Next up, we have crude oil. That is trading up 70 cents to $58.62 a barrel. This is the start of the summer driving season, so we'll see if that does help oil out a little bit. Right now, the USO is trading at $12.21, getting a nice little uptick, closed at $12.09. Again, spot crude trading at $58.70 a barrel. All right, with that being said, everybody, if you have not done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a dynamite 2019. In fact, just the whole year has been really, really good all the way around. So, again, come on over, check it out. Take that 7-day free trial. You can trade right alongside of us. Have gap plays posted right at 9 o'clock, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts. Have a great day.